Hola amigos, today I have a fun recipe for you for a Mexican street food snack called Salchipulpos. You will find these all over the place in Mexico and they are such a fun snack for adults and kids alike. And they are hot dogs that are sliced to have like little legs, tentacles like an octopus. The word pulpo means octopus in Spanish. And the hot dogs are deep fried and the little legs like open up to resemble tentacles. But since vegan hot dogs are a little bit more dense, they don't open up as much, but they're still delicious. And you're also going to deep fry some French fries. And this dish is served with a layer of French fries, and then you're going to layer the fried hot dogs on top, and then you're going to garnish with some crema, some ketchup, as much as you'd like. Now, traditionally, the bright yellow mustard is used, but I don't like that mustard. You can use whatever type you like. And then you're going to use a generous amount of Valentina and lime juice. Now, the lime juice just brings out all the flavors. This is such a fun and yummy snack. Like I said, it's kid approved, but it's also popular with the adults. You can find the ingredients listed in the down below and the recipe card on my blog. I hope you give it a try. Enjoy!